Hi, this is Open Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Kia Sorento, stock number 6304. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 10th 2015. It has a D4HA 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right front headlight, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,